Who should I draw? I will draw my friend. Wow, they drew my friend well. Let's continue. Wow!
Now we are finished. Thank you for drawing me. Now please make me a beautiful hairstyle.
Wow! Thank you for the hairstyle. Now I want a beautiful dress. Okay, now we will make you a beautiful dress.
Okay. Now you have a beautiful dress. You look very beautiful in it. I am happy.